Ever wondered what's next for Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Sussex, after stepping back from the royal limelight? Today on CelebXplore Hub, we delve into her latest venture that's turning heads and sparking speculation. Stay tuned as we uncover Meghan's ambitious plans for a new cooking and lifestyle business. Since Meghan and Prince Harry's departure from the royal family, the Duchess has been on a mission to carve her own path. And now, with newfound freedom, she's set her sights on a groundbreaking project that's making waves across the globe. Breaking news: Meghan Markle is taking the world by storm with her latest endeavor, American Riviera Orchard. Sources close to the Duchess reveal that she's currently in the process of interviewing candidates for the crucial role of Chief Executive Officer. But what exactly is American Riviera Orchard? Let's dive in. Just last week, Meghan teased her followers with a glitzy video on Instagram, offering a sneak peek into the world of American Riviera Orchard. From rustic kitchens to elegant table settings adorned with white and pink flowers, Meghan's vision for her brand is nothing short of spectacular. But this isn't just any business venture. Meghan is aiming for the stars. With a focus on home, garden, food, and lifestyle products, American Riviera Orchard is poised to become a household name. Rumor has it, Meghan's plans include a cookery show for Netflix, along with a range of products such as jams, and even a potential book and blog. Meghan's legal team is leaving no stone unturned, having already applied to trademark the brand in the US for a variety of goods. From cutlery to recipe books, it seems like there's no limit to Meghan's entrepreneurial ambitions. As Meghan sifts through potential candidates for the CEO role, speculation is rife about who will ultimately take the helm. With the brand's success hanging in the balance, the chosen candidate will need to be a formidable force in the business world. And there you have it, Meghan Markle's bold step into the world of entrepreneurship with American Riviera Orchard. What do you think of Meghan's latest venture? Share your thoughts in the comments below. That's a wrap for today's video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below.